A total of 1,503,931 candidates were registered for the 2012 UTME, which held across the country on March 24, making it the one with the highest number of registered candidates since the existence of JAMB. While this year, 1.7 candidates sat for the examination with an increase of 13.35%. This is not unconnected with the fact that at some centers, candidates wrote the examination without doing the required biometric data verification. It is attributed to the reasons such as poor internet connectivity, which brought about delay in commencement of the exam in some centers. The candidates were assured that their registration numbers will be taken to the board for further action, only to be disappointed. When GOTEL News visited the JAMB office in the state capital, it was complained as usual over the outcome. They were, however, told that it was due to the absence of the biometric data.
We wrote JAMB, that is last week Saturday. So when we entered the exam hall now, they just told us that as when we came there, we were supposed to do some printing before entering the exam. So now when we entered the exam hall, they then told us that no need of us doing some printing, we should just enter the exam hall. Then we wrote the exam. When the result came out, we wanted to check the result. They say we cannot see our result because of what? Because of my biometric verification.
While others said their data was captured but their result withheld, and no one explained to them why.
We have done some print. We didn't start the exam till everybody make sure that he do that on print. In FC College of Education Adamawa Hill. So now we are waiting for results on this very Saturday. We start checking our result. They are saying we cannot see our result because we did not do biometric verification.
And we are sure you did it.
And we're sure that we did it. If they say we didn't do it, let's everybody go back to his center and to call the invigilators and the supervisors. Have we done? We have done. What's the problem? And we make sure we have done it. We are checking our results. Some of the students that they didn't do it and they are seeing their own. It's just we that they selected. We're about to, how they first it? It's about, we're about to 80,000 students that they held our student, they held our own. They put 40,000 invalids, and again, it was about 12,000 they have held their own. Is the same problem with our own. We were 68, and the 12,000 they held their own. They are not going to see their own.
It could be recalled that Professor Rukayat Rufai, Minister of Education, said there is only 1/3 space for these applicants, while the remaining who may even pass the cut-off mark may never get admitted. The question here is, what will be the fate of